frigile outside, man. You guys want to see a trick?
Why is the car frozen?
It's so cold, man.
Look at the roof of the car.
It's actually friggin'.
God damn, man.
Are we getting chicken or what?
I don't know if we are. I don't know if we have time. No, we don't have time. Fuck.
We're going to Dawn's. It's container day today.
It's fucking Tainer Tree Day.
That means we're going to Richmond.
Listen
Holy
to
shit.
dude, I scraped up my whole screen. It's so fucking loud. And I was like, people must just.
Oh!
Fault on my toes.
Is it a boxing match,
What do you
bro?
want? What?
Is the drive-thru closed?
No. I can hit the tranny.
2 chickens and 2 hash browns, please.
No coffee because we don't need.
We'll shit out our ass.
The shit aphrodisiac.
Yeah.
Spooky.
Ah!
I'm a coochie man. Do you know the coochie man?
Got 10 minutes till we have to be at Jason's.
We're about 15 minutes away. Gonna try to hit Donald's number 2.
Oh, freaking jaywalker, brah. Get out the way,
What is this man doing? Is you lost?
Why are you away?
What the fuck is he doing? Why is he coming at us? Wait, go home. Oh, you don't have one.
Man, this one's not even open.
Fucking get it together, eh, bud? Fucking wake it up, eh, bud?
What are we gonna do, man?
I think we're starving. Woo! Yay! Dude, it's dark as fuck. Should I high beam it?
High beam it, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That made all the difference. Fucking bricks are amazing. Dude, Tooch drivers don't need girlfriends. I don't need a girlfriend because I have the Tooch. Downshift and rib. Clutch kick never left, bro.
Oh, there's tons of shit back here.
Yeah, what, I don't know what that stuff is.
I guess we can transfer it to the U-Haul.
Uncle Joel.
Oh no! What are we doing? What are we doing, boys?
What are we doing?
Getting a bunch of stuff. Yeah, this is it. This is all the stuff you got from Japan.
Wow.
Oh, these struts actually work. I'm just waiting for this thing to close on my head. Oh, I don't know about that turbo. Interior's nice. Yeah, it's clean.
We made it to Richmond to get the Tainer. Got parts. I got bricks. I got an absolutely destroyed seat. Excited.
Yeah, so Joel also imported this RB25 Death Stagia.
And he's got some other parts too that came in the container that we're going to be loading into the U-Haul.
Yeah.
This is for sale right now. So if you want it, message platform. It's for sale. Right, Joel?
So yeah, anyway.
For sale? They'll message you, the people?
Yeah, for sale. Yeah, hit up Platform Garage. We got this beautiful Stagia we just imported. It's just pending a final inspection and some brand new tires. And yeah, we're thinking it'll probably be on the market for around 12.8, and we are accepting offers.
Nice, and that's Canadian. So
that's Canadian, so that's about $300 or $400 US. So you should be able to get this no problem.
All right, we'll cut to a little time lapse now.
Yeah, of loading the Tainer with all our parts. And then
Tainer.
Go home.
Okay.
Yes.
Go back to the front.
Boys.
Hello.
Turbo timer.
No
Oh,
way.
She comes with a turbo timer too.
Yeah. What exhaust is on it? Looks like there's something.
Oh, well, let's find out. It's a Jasma rated Fujitsubo muffler.
Oh, one of those rigs.
Yeah, RB25 Det. Is this all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
All-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive RB25 Neo manual.
There you go.
Just a
Wow.
transport. That's what he's asking.
Yeah, pretty much. What All right, well, we're gonna load up the parts in the U-Haul and then we'll try to film that.
When we're back, right?
Yeah.
When we get
Well,
back.
no, we're gonna film. We'll film some more clips before then.
How it looks right now. This is everything we have left. And
4 motors.
4 engines.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the camera away. We're gonna bang this out.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's a bit dangerous. A bit dangerous.
Look at all the stuff, man.
We got hella shit to unload. We're back on crack, and that's not true. That doesn't. That's not how that works.
And that's. Well, that's it.
The lens is so dirty.
That's fine. You can't tell.
All right.
The toes, man, frigid.
The toes, the fingers, frigid.
We just loaded up Uncle Joel's engines.
Yeah. So we went there, crack a dick in the morning. Drove to the warehouse, took everything from our Tainer into our U-Haul, drove home. Spooned twice on the way there and the way back. Yeah. Ate some A&W, thanks Joel. Ate some Crispers, thanks Moist Boys. And then tomorrow, so this is the end of this video of us getting our shit. And then next video we'll do unloading and then a walk around of everything that came in the container. And then we'll do a walk around of all of Ben's cool stuff.
Wow.
That sounds nice.
Wow.
Do I have a nose drip?
I think we all do. Yours isn't dripping.
Ben's nose stay dripping though.
That's
He always
true.
has one right at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, stay tuned for the next video.
Yeah. Comment,
Bye.
like, subscribe, and get ready for the next video where we show everything. And Ben, what should they comment otherwise? Oh, what part you hope is in the container? What do you
That's a
think?
good one.
No,
I had a question that I was
Alright.
I was thinking of. What milk weighs the most? Does 1% weigh more than 4%?
Does 1% milk weigh more than 4% milk?
No, it's exactly the same volume.
Well, why is it more?
What's the difference?
The fat content.
But you'd think if it had more,
But
it
is
would
fat
weigh
heavier
more
than...
than water or milk?
Okay, bye.
I don't think the volume...